Hi guys, it's Carrie with Rockin' G Farm. Well, today we are on vacation, but we're doing a staycation to work on the infrastructure of our farm. So today we have stopped by and we have bought a kind of like a prefab building to make another chicken coop for my chickens. So we are picking that up, and we are picking up some wood to on our composting bin. So let me show you right now. Hunter is actually getting all that onto the truck, and then we're going to have to stop by a greenhouse and try to buy some more like little pots to pot my tomatoes, because I am like out of pots. So we'll be doing that. We'll be going over to one of the local greenhouses, and they sell a lot of their pots that they don't use anymore. So that's what we're doing today. And guys, it's really cold. It's really sunny, but it's windy, and it's 37 degrees. We went down to like 29 degrees yesterday, and I had to put sheets up. See the wind? Did you see that? The wind just shut the door on me. So anyway, we put sheets on all of our plants last night, and I'm just going to leave them on today because it's going to get down to about 29 degrees again today. But this is the start of our day on our staycation to work on our infrastructure of our farm. Okay guys, so we are finally out and about going to get the chicken coop up that we just bought. My husband's not too happy because he said it's like in 75 pieces. I'll show you the bag. This is a bag of screws right there. So he's not too happy. He goes, I thought at least some of it would be put together. Well, it's not. As you can see, it's on the ground in several pieces. But we do have a good day today. It's been very, very cold, so we haven't been able to get out and do a lot of what we thought we were going to do on our vacation or our staycation to help with the infrastructure of the farm. But today it's finally getting up to 50 degrees. It was like in the, I think 40 yesterday, and the wind was blowing. We just couldn't do anything. The wind was just blowing so hard that it just made it unbearable. This is going to be the new chicken coop. And you're wanting to keep it closer to this fence over here so that you can get through with the tractor, right? Correct. Or what if would it be easier for you to turn it the other way? No. No? Okay. Don't eat my egg. That may be. Don't eat my egg. Because it's not going to have much room right there. I mean, that's totally up to you.
Well, the thing about it is, if we turn it the other way,
the wind
is going to run right at the front of it.
Well, yeah. Well, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. So this is what he's doing right now. He is just putting this base. This is the floor. The floor. And we're trying to decide if we're going to put some sort of flooring in it or leave it on the ground or put it on blocks. So
we're going to do dirt.
Just leave it on the dirt?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I need her. I need her.
Might be a good idea, though, to...
What?
Spin it. Just to give more space like you was talking about, because the more these trees grow, the more it's going to be get down through here with the tractor. Yeah.
And which way does the wind come, mostly?
Well, during the wintertime, it comes out of the north, mainly. North and west. Summertime, it comes out of the south and west. But those doors will stay closed all the time, and we can put the deal to get in and out of it.
Yeah, we'll get the automatic door.
We can put it anywhere we want to. We can put it on this end.
Yeah, because we don't have to keep the doors open. We'll just keep that automatic door open.
That's need your help.
Okay. Let me put this down, and hopefully the chickens won't decide to eat it. right, so this is day 2. We've been rained out several days, but we are actually going to be putting the roof on the new chicken coop today. It's 70 degrees out here today. It was raining all night, so it's very humid here in Arkansas, but we hopefully are going to get this done today. Well, hi guys, it's day 3 of going and getting the chicken coop done. This chicken coop has a lot more parts and pieces than what we anticipated. Of course, we've been fighting the cold air, the wind, and the thunderstorms, but hopefully today, I'm trying to put my shoes on. Hopefully today we will get the chicken coop completed and be able to start on roost and nesting boxes. But right now I'm just going to go out and feed my chickens for the morning. It is a glorious morning. We have a little bit of sunshine peeking out. You can see those blue clouds up there, but tonight we're going to have horrible thunderstorms. So let's just go ahead and get everything done today that we can get done. So we are almost done, and I am so excited. My husband has been working so super hard for me on his vacation to try to get something done for me, and I appreciate it dearly. Tell me how it's coming. It's coming? Mm-hmm. It's a little more tedious work than before. The other
whole thing is 500-600 pieces in this thing I had to put together.
But these are the last 2 pieces to put together?
Doors, yeah. Once I get the doors hung, it's closed. I still have to anchor it, but
okay.
Closed.
But that's the chicken coop. Took a lot of time and energy to put it together, but we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm gonna let you see my apple trees. We're getting a little bloom on them there. So we're excited. This will be our 3rd year to have trees. Hopefully this year will be good to get them.
Peaches are
yeah. Peaches are really coming up. There. So hopefully we save some of them. But we'll get back to the chicken coop, and we'll show you the process in just a minute when he starts putting up a door. Okay, he's got one of them hung, fixing to hang the other one, and then I'll probably try to go get him a little refreshment since it is very hot out here today. It's Arkansas and it's extremely humid already, and we're seeing sunlight. We haven't seen sunlight in a while, but we're excited. But I'm so excited that my husband chose to take his vacation to help me with my chicken projects, because I wouldn't have been able to do this by myself. There we go. It's putting the doors in. All right. How exciting. We are going to go look for a automatic door opener. We're going to keep these closed and put a little automatic door opener in so that they can get in and out. We want this to be as much predator proof as possible. We do have all the predator fencing around, and we have the dogs. And if anybody knows, I wanted another Doberman. So if you know of one around Central Arkansas, I want a puppy. So who will be my guard dog? But this is what we're doing now. So very excited. Look at that.
The rest of the screws and the doors are level. Everything's set.
Awesome.